This is the LITOM Solar Motion Sensor Landscape Spotlights. Comes in a 2-pack. Let's take it out of the box. Okay, in the box you got the 2 lights, of course, 2 stakes to put in the ground. If you want to mount them that way, you don't have to, because they are also wall mountable, as you see right there, and they give you screws and wall anchors in the box as well, and of course your user manual. So let me show you more about them. There are a total of 30 LEDs in here. The entire unit is IP67 waterproof, so it can be out in the rain, in the snow, all that kind of stuff. No worries about that. This is your motion sensor here, the LEDs of course, and on the top is the solar panel so it can recharge. If we come around here, this is your wall mount bracket, as I showed before. So you can put the screws through that. There's a thumb wheel here that you can loosen, and then this can be moved once you loosen it enough to whatever angle you want, and then it will go ahead and lock in place. There's also a button here, and it has 3 different modes. Rather than explain them, I'll explain them as I show them to you. But first let me show you the stake. First, if you wanted to wall mount them, you can do that, and you can adjust the angle even straight out if you want. And for the stake, you just take it and insert it like that at your 90 degree, or maybe less if you want, and that will just go and stick in the ground, and there's your light. Now, as explained before, this has a motion sensor in it. It also is dusk to dawn. It's not going to turn on during the day because, well, there's really no point of it turning on during the day. So you have 3 different modes. Let me go ahead and press the button once. Okay, and we're all set there. And now I'll show you what it does. So with the dark in one of the modes, as it is approached, it turns on and goes to full brightness. It'll stay that way until it doesn't sense motion anymore. The light will stay on for about 30 seconds and then go out. In another mode, the light will stay on dimly, and as I approach it, it goes to full brightness. And in the third mode, it stays on dimly. When I approach it, nothing happens, it just stays on, and will continue to do that until it finally gets light out again in the morning, at which point the light will go out. The light output on this at the brightest setting when it detects motion is 800 lumens, and it has a 2200 milliamp hour battery, which will recharge in about 5 to 6 hours, and then it'll just do its thing as needed, being recharged by the sun. So once again, this was the LITOM Solar Motion Sensor Landscape Spotlights. Comes in a 2-pack. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.